Hello everyone. So in the previous part I told you I'll discuss about the biosphere reserves in India. So earlier there were 14, now we have total 17, 18 biospheres in our India, okay, in our country. So here you can see it is as on the December 2014. First is Nilgiri, second is Nanda Devi, third is Nokrek, and Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Manas, Sundarbans, Simplipal, Dibru, Dehang, Dibang, Panchmarthi, and Kanchenjunga, Agastyamalai, and Anchan Kamar, Amarkantak, Kutch, Cold Desert, and Sichalam Hills, and last one is Pana. So here student, through this list you can see date of notification, and next is area in kilometer square, and the next is location state. So Nilgiri is located in the part of Wayanan, Nagar Hole, Bandipur, and Madhumalai, Neelambar, Shilant Valley, and Sirvanvi. It is in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. Nanda Devi is in Uttarakhand, part of Chamoli, Pithoragarh, and Bageshwar district. And Nokrek is in part of Garo Hills, Meghalaya, in northeast part. Great Nicobar is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Gulf of Mannar is in Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu. And then Manas is in Assam, part of Kokrajhar. Sundarban is in West Bengal. These are some famous biospheres, that's why. And Simplipal is part of Mayurbhanj district Orissa, and Dibru Sekhowa is in part of Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district, Assam, and Dehang and Dibang is in Arunachal Pradesh. Panchmarti is in Madhya Pradesh, and Kanchenjunga, Kanchenjunga is in the part of Kanchenjunga, it is hills in Sikkim. Agastyamalai is in the Kerala, and Akanchamar Amarkantak is in Chhattisgarh state, and Kutch is in Gujarat state. Cold Desert is in the Himachal Pradesh Wildlife Sanctuary is there, and the Sechlam Hill is in Andhra Pradesh, and Pana, which is the last one, is in Madhya Pradesh. It is part of Pana in Chhatarpur district in Madhya Pradesh. So here you can see these all 18 biosphere reserves in India, right? Now next is about the one by one we'll discuss about these four. First is Nilgiri biosphere reserves. So here it is called NBR, first of the 14 biosphere reserves of India, and the first is established in September 1986. So just remember student, these four you have to study in details, and some of the main points you have to learn from these. It embraces the sanctuary complex of Nagar Hole, Bandipur, and Madhumalai. Entire forest hill slopes in Nilambar, the upper Nilgiri plateau, right? And biosphere reserve is around 5,520 kilometer. If we talk about the total area, land, and it is like type of several dry shrubs, dry and moist deciduous forest you can see in this area. And if we talk about the animals, the largest South Indian population of elephant, tiger, gaur, sambar, and cheetal, as well as good number of endemic and endangered plants are also found in this reserve. Clear? So next is about the topography of NBR is extremely varied, ranging from the altitude 2250 meter to 2650 meter, right? Next is Nanda Devi, which is in Uttarakhand. Includes part of Chamoli, Garhwal, Almora, and Pithoragarh and Bageshwar district. So major forest types of the reserve are temperate, Few important species are silverweed and orchids like latifolia and rhododendron. Biosphere reserves has a rich fauna, for example, the snow leopard, black bear, brown bear, musk deer, snow cock, golden eagle, black eagle. So these are, you can see these type of animals you can biosphere you can see here. Next is Sundarbans biosphere, which is in West Bengal. It extends over a vast area of 9,630 square kilometer, consisted of mangrove forest. Okay, because it is part which is delta region. It is swamps and forested island. So here it is a home of nearly 200 Royal Bengal tiger. The tangled mass of roots of mangrove trees provides safe homes for a large number of species. From fish to shrimp, more than 170 birds species are known to inhabit these mangrove forests because they feel protect here. And Gulf of Mannar biosphere. So it is in the southeast coast of India. It is one of the world's richest region from a marine biodiversity perspective. Biosphere reserves comprises 21 islands with estuaries, beaches, forest of the near shore environment, sea grasses, coral reefs, salt marshes and mangrove. So, among the Gulf, 3,600 plants and animal species are globally endangered, that is, sea cow, and besides, six mangrove species endemic to peninsular India are also endangered. So, endangered animals species are also there, which we need to protect them. Okay, so this chapter is over, student. This chapter is not tough, but yes, you have to study in this chapter. Mainly the map work is very important. Okay, all the biospheres, location of biospheres you should know, and different types of vegetation you know. Okay, so thank you so much, and keep doing practice on, especially on map work.